to another Vlogmas. I am out today, which is Sunday, December the 10th. We are, is it the 10th?
Yep.
It's the 10th. Had to make sure days are running together. But we are currently out. Sorry about the lighting. I am currently drinking gas. But we are out, about to go to the store. Probably gonna go to Sprouts, possibly HEB, TJ Maxx, and Target. But we are currently out and about. And like I said, I am so sorry about the lighting. But I'm currently at the gas station getting some gas. But as soon as I get finished with that, I pick back up once we get on the street. This is very good.
What's this smell like?
I like the way it looks.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
Now that one I like. I smell pretty good. And that's the very good. Jaden. Road. And right there.
The left 2 lanes to turn onto North I-45 front.
I hate that my camera can't focus anymore. Since I done broke it, it's like, ugh. But finally got home after going to multiple stores. We went to Children's Place, Target, Kirkland's,
Why?
Ulta,
Why?
Sprouts,
Why?
and HEB.
Why?
Some stuff I've already put up, but I'm gonna.
Why are you recording me?
Why you move so I can go and finish this up? But I got a few things. I'm just gonna show a few things. Some of the stuff I've already put up, but I'm just gonna show a few things I got from Target, Ulta, Children's Place. So this is one of the things I got from Target. I got this. Jaden wanted some more ornaments, so he picked these out. They was actually 30% off, so he picked these out. At least that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know if they was or not, but he picked these out. So he got these. I got these for the gifts. Excuse me, Bryson. Got some wrapping paper, of course, sticking with my theme. I got some gold and white and black. One say happy holidays, and the other one just has some deals and stuff on it. And got that. Some stuff for the kids to take for their teachers. So I got these tumblers for the teachers. I got these different colors for the teachers. Got that. Got this rub to put in my half bath or powder room, whatever you want to call it. Got this to put in there. I don't know how much this was. I think it was $7. I don't know. I got that. And then I got these towels with Black Santa. I thought those was cute. I found this at Target. Sugar cookie granola. They actually had some that had eggnog granola, but my daughter, she didn't want to try it, so I got these. So I got sugar cookie granola. Got that. Dishwashing detergent, some more candy for the goodie bag, some marshmallows, paper plates. I found me some Epsom salt, melatonin, lavender, chamomile. I got that from Target. We're gonna be making some cupcakes. So I got some little holiday cupcake wrappers, candy canes for the goodie bags, Christmas tree plate for cookies for Santa. Got the little makeup bags for the teachers to go with their cups, so they get a cup and a makeup bag. I got these two colors, so I got these two colors to choose from. I got those for the teachers. Oh, and I also got this basket Then I'm gonna put my blankets in, my throws in. And then I got this from Ulta. Some hand soaps for the teachers to put inside they little makeup bags and stuff. So I got these from Ulta. Oh, Kirkland's. Got these pillows. These were 30% off. I got these big 22-inch pillows. Another one of those. My daughter found the bath bomb. Some mask.
Cat perfect.
Cat perfect mask. Few things I found the children play. Children play like a storm had hit it, but I did find another shirt for Bryson, the one that always be on the camera. Got that for him. Got this for my oldest, Brandon. For him to wear. I thought that was cute. Found some more pajamas for the youngest, Jaden. Those for him. Found this at Kirkland's. I think I'm gonna set a vase in the middle of it. I don't know yet. I was gonna put it above my stove, but right now, since my husband says it's a hazard, we won't be putting that there, so I'm gonna find somewhere else. Ooh, this stuff make my nose itch. Ooh. So we'll find somewhere to put that. Some gift bags from Dollar Tree. Yeah, one Dollar Tree. Ooh, got the camera all up in my face. Alright, I'm going to, in this portion of the video, I'm going to be decorating the main Christmas tree, which is the 12-foot tree that is in the foyer. With the tree having a lot of lights, that helps it out. But I still feel like I need some more big pieces, like go right here, here, there, and up there. I feel like I need like 10 more ornaments. 10 big ornaments at that. Like big.
And one star. In one star.
Okay, now I am back again with this 12-day of Vlogmas for Christmas. So I'm on the second day. So let's see what this gonna be, because the Chardonnay, it wasn't really good. Watch where you going? Oh, this is a rosé. Rosé. And all these are pretty much the California landscape wines. So this is the rosé. When am I gonna get to the Moscato? Cause that's what I really want. But nope, I got this one last night. The other one was hard. And I'm just gonna do a little bit, cause like I said, I'm trying to get my wine taste on, but you see how it tastes. Whew, child, it don't excuse my hair. I just pulled it back in the ponytail. Let's try it.
Tastes bad.
It tastes alright. It kind of tastes better than the Chardonnay. So I like this. Like I said, I am now on the second day. Move, Bryson. I'm now on the second day, and I got 12. I got 10 more wines to go. The Chardonnay, I'm just gonna cook with it. But yeah, this was. It's okay. I think the rosé is kind of smooth. So that's it for now. So I'm gonna end out with the wine.
Peace.